Hello foodies and welcome back to our channel The Food Diaries. I'm Kinnari Mehta and I'm going to take you through today's episode, which is going to be an eye treat for all the Italian food lover. Yes, we are going to a place which serves a lot many varieties of Italian food. It has lot many things, like it has sandwiches, it has simple pastas, and it has variety of different paninis. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and explore today's episode. So guys, I have reached my table and I have ordered so yummy dishes that I am going to show you. There are 3 items basically which I have ordered today. The first one is all-star Italian panini grill sandwich, which is very delicious. The presentation itself is so beautiful. The another dish which I have ordered is pizza, of course, and the third one is pasta, the place which is famous for. So now I am going turn by turn and trying each dishes to let you know how it is going to taste. So I am going to try the first dish, the panini sandwich. जो पानिनी सैंडविच है बिल्कुल पूरे चीज़ और मेयो से भरा हुआ है. It has also some capsicum and lot many sauces into it. It's really beautiful. And इतना tasty. I don't want to speak first. I want to eat first. इसमें कॉर्न का स्वाद आ रहा है, कैप्सिकम का टेस्ट है, of course the cheese dominates the taste, but a proper mixture of all the vegetables, all proper mixture of sauces, and a tangy taste of tomato sauces also. So it's a really nice dish, you should try. And I'll try more. Okay, so the next dish which has arrived on my table is the Supreme Veg Delight Pizza. Of course, it is a Jain pizza which we try. All the foods are all Jain. It has no onion, no potatoes, neither garlic. So whatever the things which we try are always Jain. So any Jain people can try whichever dishes I am recommending you. It is always the Jain version. So now let me start with the pizza, how it is going to taste. Of course, as it is Italian, it has to be flooded with cheese, and it has lot many vegetables into it, the tomato, the capsicum. So I'm trying how it is going to taste. It is very crunchy. The base is very crunchy, and the oregano, the mixed herbs, it is giving a proper taste. So any pizza lover is going to love this pizza, of course. Okay guys, so the third variant of today's menu is the pinky pasta. नाम ही इतना सुहाना है. I am sure the dish is gonna be that bright like the pink color. The pinky pink pasta is called pinky pink pasta because it has some surprising sauces, the surprising ingredients which are into it, which we don't know. Of course, their master dish this is of pasta. So we'll try and suggest ki how the dish is tasting. So I'll try the pinky pastas for you. Again, as it is Italian, cheese तो होना ही है and herbs भी बहुत सारे होने वाले हैं, तो I'll try it for you. कुछ नया वाला स्वाद है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू जज कौन से सॉसेस इसमें है, बट आई एम श्योर इट इज़ अ बैलेंस टेस्ट, क्योंकि टेस्ट काफ़ी स्पाइसी भी है, थोड़ा स्वीटनेस भी आ रहा है. तो आई एम श्योर इट इज़ फाइन इफ़ यू टेस्ट इट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई विल हैव द कोल्ड ड्रिंक टुगेदर. यू शुड ट्राई दिस. As they say that every meal has to end with some good desserts, how can we forget the mouth-watering waffles they keep? So have you heard about different waffles? Of course, yes, everybody loves waffles. So today I'm going to try their favorite and of course my favorite as well, the Oreo waffles, which is of course mouth-watering. I cannot keep myself controlled. I will open my big mouth to have this waffle. Any Oreo fan is going to love this. It is so yummy. Oreo biscuits inside into it, on the top of it, all you're going to have is Oreo, Oreo and Oreo. And of course it is accompanied with Nutella also. So you are going to love this. I'm not able to keep myself controlled, so I'll just have these wafers.